Kaseng ki Samla Pule NEHUSU haka arpho tarik naiweing kilami paidbah ban pyrshah bat pynrem jur yaka Jing Jong Nantu das ubadai u Assistant Director of Sport Jrong Kti but udai u Secretary in Charge yaka Nehu Katei ka jingmih jongki Katei namar ka Jing Jrong Kti jongtei officer ya Kawei ka Samla Pule Jong ka skul kaba hostel hapoh ka university ki Samla Pule kilami pok bat jaka treikam jong ka Nehu bat jaka treikam u Vice Chancellor bat Katei kapor u VC udang don meeting bat ka Finance Committee hynrei na liang ki Samla Pule kim shah satia bat laong u ban mi bet shabar na liang u VC ban se u ban mi shabar bat yakren ya ki Samla Pule bat na liang ki Samla ki Dawa ban Weng Kam no bet ya ute u officer na po skul namar ka kampo rati ka jong u.
I'm just indicating that there is a procedure, no. First, Jaldi, all of you
What about our safety? There's a procedure for people like him, who harasses women just because he's in a higher position like that.
Yeah.
What about the safety of the students and women also? There's no
I can ensure my student. I am going to take the hard decision. We already taken my team is already working on it.
What decision did you take?
Going to take the hard decision. Yeah.
So the decision is easy, removal of Nantu Das from all the posts in there.
Yes, I'm just going to give me the 1 or 2 day time, no.
So within 3 days, sir, we've given the
within 3 days I will do.
So it's not just about...
No, within 3 days, yes, within 3 days I will do.
So it's also about the discrimination against women that is going on in the campus. So moral policing, the way administration has been moral policing us, along with that everything has been restricted only towards women, we can't go outside after 8. If you're not safe within the campus, what's the purpose of being in the campus? There's a lot of issues every time.
Number of issues are there, and even other things are there.
This is about the safety of our students, especially women students in the That's the priority, sir.
We already taken a hard decision.
And the security...
Suspended one professor, I think might be all of you know. Some other cases, we already taken one decision. And in this case, I can ensure my student, I am going to take the hard decision. But there is a system, no. You can follow. Directly not within that, you are giving the 3 days time, no? Within the 3 days you are going to do. Not today, the past
It is a crucial matter.
Definitely, this is
safety and security. So, students, in order to feel safe, we need your signature. It means something for us.
You are a father figure in the university.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, we need your signature.
You have to prioritize this matter.
It's for the emotional safety of the students here. Kindly, sir.
You are just so that father figure in this university.
Yes, sir.
That's my signature.
A student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! A student power, long live! Long live! Long live! Student power, long live!
Take a photo.
Long live! Long live!
Photocopy to give him the one copy to. Other, this is very simple. Whoever is, neither one is Nantu Das, any other, either any teacher, not teaching, and others are going to involve in this activity. This is very simple, and I'm going to condemn this type of activity in the campus also, and definitely under the rules and regulations, ready to take the hard decision.
So today's meeting is about that, or is it about something?
No, this is meeting is finance committee meeting. The finance committee meeting is already scheduled before the week, before 15 days. We already conducted the one meeting with the KCU, another meeting with the NEHUSU. But I can ensure my student, I'm not going to tolerate such type of activity in the campus.
So when will the meeting be conducted for Nantu Das? When will the meeting be conducted on Nantu
Regarding
Das?
this matter.
My one team is already working on that. Yesterday I came back in the night near about 9 p.m. Someone already informed and made a discussion with the registrar and other officers of the university, and they are already working on that. Okay, so procedurally I'm going to take the decision, but to complete the procedure it may take some time. No, already all of you are given me the 3 days time, and within 3 days time I will take the decision.
So what kind of action will you take to ensure that this kind of act will never happen again in this campus?
According to the system of the university. University already have a system. According to the system of the university. Yes.
So your signature.
My signature, this is
नेहू VC sign करो, sign करो, sign करो.
So your signature.
my signature.
Yeah,
My
that's
signature is not required in this case.
So please.
Mengangadi daya kira khasati ngawan research scholar forum jong Nehu. Ti nakaliang jong research scholar forum ngakwa ban ong ba kane ga eki ga jingle jong unan tu das ka penlong ngi ki khna research ru khamtam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batrei ha ki labs jong ki ting te hadech ko biji khri biji or dalam yet. So ka penlong ngi bangin feel unsafe la don kum uni ujat breu ha kane ka yute nakaliang jong irungi demand ban weng no nakakam jong kum assistant director jong ka sports department ban kunjuk ru badai in charge jong ka security jong ka Nehu haba nong penyat hi nong pet hi ka security jong ka Nehu ulong kumne te ni ngin ngolong safe kum no ki kan thei mo ki kan thei ba pule ha kan ka university te ni demand ban weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki NEHUSU bangin aya ka license ni ka port ban weng no yu te ngi mangiru ngi support ya kata ka demand jong ka NEHUSU
University journey bangin yo asmo ba chale to bor kumni ni source air mo ba ha ka university nim la ban ya like load ni don be da ka Jing's air means te ni smo ting ba don security in charge u ba le kum kata kam
but ni pynrem juroi kini ka jingle jong namar kam di ka kam ka ba kadi ka kam ka ba chaklia tam but kadi ka ba penjak buram om tang ya hiru kadi penjak buram ya university barok Kawei ni kena barok Kawei but di kinau hikai barok Kawei de ni kum ka NEHUSU ni yang hang ni ban pynrem jur ya Nantu das ya kini ka jingle jong
an yeng jaga Jing school lemru ya itai bala sha le thambon ha Nantu das
security in charge
but ru but ya ka post trong assistant sports director hapon ne
Janagaling jong ki NEHUSU le se ka ika jing dawan jong ki na ka university
ni dawa ya university ya ka administration ba kin remove no mar ya na po ka post trong but because kin nim don jaka ya ko mutu jat bri ka university jong dingi ru ni la yo na itaru ni la yo show ki don ki kna bala yo sim tharai na ka bala yo kani ka kubon ki la don ki ba wan ong ni ba ula le show ki kam ini balak jangan ta insa okta city ba yo na ta kna
dengan syuri biet pisa kan ka shiti ga lo ni shiti ga ri this is to inform you that I as a student of Nehu and I have been playing college events due to which I have to talk with the sports director and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting, he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Saying ila basiko na kani ba ki kana ba kala jujat teng hen lagi pajulut banwan shukmat. Keling ba kini ba kilayo complain menanti kana du kila khandu banwan shukmat ba. Ini le ka ba ka.
Kay ka appeal ng PM tayo ki prakhna nang makon ni kanun jasu sa na ni shukmat.
Kitui ki pakinum tiang haba ki jakum kini ki bakinang wan bet shakmat ban ai bi complain segi la dadan balik kum kata ban kinum tiang bakin wan bet shakmat bakin ai
complain union nila ban ni selection hadi ya kita ki brave balik kum kita ki kam and ni ru ba ban ong ba ha ka campus ni ba ini ban thungi ki brave lo biang ki ban ba de compose ka security in charge knam mangin social nine ha ka university jong
he should be immediately removed within 3 days and his acts is unacceptable and we stand in solidarity with the victim, and we want him to be removed as the assistant for security and all the posts that he holds as the security in charge.